The worker inspects the fibre length and cleanliness before the gentle hum of the electric shears begins the process.
Approved batches of cream white fleece are gently placed into the feed chamber, ready for compression into dense rectangular bales.
The hydraulic press releases the bale onto the secured platform. It is then wrapped and strapped by the team before being safely moved to the storage area.
The inventory worker ensures every bale is consistent. With the factory-loaded approval, these bales are ready for the waiting transport truck.
Once the bale is secure, the outer wrap is carefully cut. We take samples from the outer, middle, and inner layers to ensure quality control.
The pinned drum gently teases the compressed wool, transforming dense bales into airy tufts. The fibers enter the dust removal chamber. Controlled airflow lifts fine particulates into the extraction.
This is the scouring line, where the raw wool begins the vital process of washing to remove the natural grease.
It then passes through the guarded squeeze rollers, removing excess dirty wash water before the next stage.
The rinsed wool enters the squeeze rollers, removing excess water while preserving the natural crimp.
The controlled air-assisted dewatering ensures an even spread of the fibers across the wide mesh conveyor below.
This low-temperature drying process ensures the wool maintains its natural crimp and softness. The carding machine gently transforms the broad fiber web, condensing it through the trumpet guide into a soft, The drawing frame combines multiple slivers, passing them through guarded drafting rollers to improve evenness and fiber alignment. The combed sliver moves into a second drawing frame, where multiple strands are combined and drawn to create a single, more uniform sliver. As you can see, the sliver coils are drafted and twisted, then carefully wound onto the bobbins by the flyer mechanism.
Here at Factory Loaded, safety is paramount. The technicians ensure every strand is correctly threaded before activation.
As the spindles reach high speed,
The soft roving is stretched and twisted.
The fine wool strands are combined under controlled tension, creating a balanced two-ply yarn before moving to the clearing section. In the dye preparation area, the yarn cones are precisely loaded onto the carriers, ensuring even saturation once they enter the pressurized vessels.
As the circulation activates, the closed dosing system introduces the dye, ensuring an even transition to the deep charcoal gray tone.
The rinse water runs clear, and the softer pump rhythm signals the introduction of the pH balancing solution.
Carrier secured and lifting.
Pathway clear to the transfer station.
The handling arm ensures the cones are evenly distributed before withdrawing, allowing the interlocked lid to secure the basket.
The mechanical arm transfers the cones to the drying racks, which then roll into the chamber for a controlled, low-temperature drying cycle.
The heel pocket begins to curve outward, reinforced by an additional strand of yarn for durability while preserving the same visual color.
Here we see the secondary feeder engage, adding density without changing color. Once the pneumatic burst sends the sock to the collection tray, quality control ensures the open toe is ready for the linking process.
Once the cycle is complete and the safety interlock disengaged, the damp socks are carefully transferred to the perforated basket for steam boarding.
The cooling cycle ensures the charcoal gray socks retain their precise shape before moving to the unloading bay.
Approved pairs move forward to packaging, while any minor defects are responsibly transferred to the fiber recovery area.
Bring it forward slowly. Watch your clearance on the left. Okay, easy down.